Today we're going to be unboxing the TREBLAB HD-360 Bluetooth wireless speaker. This Mama Jamma right here is one of the, it's one of the best portable speakers I think I've ever reviewed, and I've reviewed thousands. I'm not being hyperbolic here. I am not being, over the top. I truly mean this. So make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you what this thing sounds like. It is phenomenal. Okay, so this 360-degree surround sound, 90-watt peak power wireless speaker, Bluetooth, comes with... So TREBLAB, it comes with a lot. TREBLAB, I'll go through each one. TREBLAB has a great reputation in the industry. I love the fact that they stand behind their products with a full 1-year warranty, easy to read, easy to follow. User manual, they have up to 20 hours extended play, built-in microphones, seamlessly switch between calls, music. So you can actually use this thing as sort of a speakerphone. Not just a speaker that could be used at parties. It could be used large rooms, small rooms, in your office, etc., etc. But this can actually be used as a speakerphone, which is pretty awesome. Comes with a USB-C charging port as well as a jack. So you can actually use this jack. You can put that into your speaker as well as some headphones, etc., etc. And check this out. Look at the behemoth of this amazing speaker. Holy macadamian nut. This thing is heavy too, by the way, guys. I mean, it is packed with technological prowess. I was really, really blown away. The energy that came off this thing, the ease it was to pair this, the fact that these speakers come with a subwoofer, holy mackerel. I mean, it's amazing for parties. The bass, wait till you hear this. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's also waterproof. When I hold this thing and when I feel it, when I put it in my hand, I'm just blown away by the girth, the put-togetherness of it, the technology, the quality, the craftsmanship. It has it all. This is the only Bluetooth speaker that I am going to have probably for the rest of my life. I can't think of getting anything else that comes close to this thing. And by the way, I'm going to hit the power button very soon. This thing literally was charged right when I unboxed it. So straight out of the box, I was able to power it up. It had seamless connectivity. I love the LED display on the top face of it. I think it's just absolutely fantastic. It has touch control via Bluetooth 5.0 or tap into NFC for instant pairing. Touch screen interface. You get easy control and convenience of everything. Did I mention that this was waterproof too? So it thrives in really any setting. You can amplify your sound with these powerful speakers, built-in mic, Bluetooth. This is amazing. Wait till you hear what this thing